Hey everybody, this is Seth from 62 Sales, and I've been in and around the towing industry for 20 plus years, and I always like to highlight cool products that are really well worth the money. And at the top of the list has got to be Firestone Ride Right airbags. Here we have a Firestone Ride Right airbag kit. This is a Chevy 2500, it's a diesel. The customer has a fifth wheel hitch, Super Glide already installed. And you know, they get kind of a porpoising feeling while they're going down the road. A lot of times when the highway transitions to an overpass, you may feel that kind of dip, you know, in the road while you're towing. One way to get rid of that really quick is by utilizing Firestone Ride Right airbags. They're pretty easy to install. We're going to take you through an installation, show you the end result, so stay tuned. So here's the first step of our Firestone Ride Right airbag installation. First of all, the bump stops, the factory bump stops from the truck need to be, or on the truck need to be removed. Here those are, and they're pretty easy to pry off. You just pop them out of there, and the airbags will actually sit right in place of this old factory bump stop. So here we are with the Firestone Ride Right airbag kit installed on the Chevy 2500 as we explained earlier. You can see that this airbag takes the place of the previous bump stop. Mounted in place here, the air line just runs up and over all the way to the back to a couple of valve stems. But all in all, a fairly easy install, probably about 2 hours, but makes a heck of a difference in the ride so you don't get that porpoising while going down the road. You'll notice at the rear of the truck also, it's very easy to air up these bags. You have two small valve stems. Typically we mount those just below the bumper in the rear of the vehicle. Now to inflate Firestone airbags, and you don't need a lot of pressure. Typically we're running probably 30, 40, possibly even 50 pounds. Usually we don't go over 50. I think manufacturer's recommendation is to stay below 70. But you air them up just like you would a normal truck tire, and you can see here, as we put air in it, you may see the truck moving there. We raised the truck about an inch there with about 15 to 20 pounds of pressure. And then obviously you want to keep them both inflated. So we're all complete with the Firestone airbag install on a Chevy 2500. Like I said, I've been doing this for 20 plus years, and there's a lot of products that really get me excited. And Firestone airbags are one of those. We get a lot of great feedback from our customers that we've installed them for. They absolutely love them. So if you're interested in putting airbags on your tow vehicle, give us a call here at 62 Sales. It's 812-720-3810, or visit us online at 62sales.com.